Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping for a work truck setup on your Ford Super Duty, today we're diving into something that'll completely transform your truck, the DCU Max. What is the DCU Max? Think of it as the ultimate mobile workshop for your truck bed. This 26-inch tall command center turns your Super Duty into a professional-grade work machine. Here's what makes it special. You get full-length doors on both sides, so accessing gear is never a problem. No more crawling over your tailgate. Everything's at your fingertips. The storage system is the real game changer. Steel toolboxes on both sides, heavy-duty construction that handles serious tools, plus custom shelving throughout, so every socket and drill bit has its place. The lighting setup is incredible. Rope lighting throughout the interior means you can work even after dark. No more fumbling with flashlights. This DCU Max comes with a full ladder rack system, center supports and third leg for maximum stability. Whether you're hauling ladders, lumber, or conduit, this rack has you covered. Security? Well, unless you want your tools stolen, Slick Lock technology keeps your expensive tools exactly where you left them. The backup camera integration wires directly into your truck screen, so you keep full visibility with this tall cap. Safety first, always. For emergency services, the Rival Safety Lighting Package includes 6 slim strobes plus a beacon. You'll be seen from miles away. Double full rear doors give massive access for loading long materials. The white exterior reflects heat, keeping tools cooler. The aluminum interior skin won't rust like painted steel. This DCU Max transforms your Super Duty into a legitimate mobile business. Whether electrical, plumbing, or HVAC, you get organization that makes you work smarter, not harder. You'll find all product links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.